Nature's Way antioxidant formula is designed to bring synergistic power with a combination of potent antioxidants. Nature's Way antioxidant formula provides protection for many of the body's important systems by combating free radicals and oxidant molecules which affect cells, DNA, fats and cholesterol. Nature's Way antioxidant formula contains CoQ10 and green tea. We advise you to do a bit of research yourself before you buy any anti-aging supplements. If you're looking for a natural anti-aging product that really works, we recommend you to check out RejuviMax before you buy any anti-aging supplements. RejuviMax combines the nature's most powerful herbs that helps to fight back the effects of aging. Bring back the zeal of your youth within days. Visit RejuviMax now at www.rejuvimax.com.